In this video, we are going to see how we can recover the text that is accidentally deleted by you just recently. So let's say that I have deleted this part, but that was done by accident. First of all, what you can do is just press Ctrl Z and see if you can recover this. You might have to press Ctrl Z a couple of times, and alternatively you can use it from the toolbar as well to click it a couple of times and see if you can recover this or not. If not, something else what you can do is just click on the file menu and click on the version history. Click on C version history. But first let me just delete this version history, C version history. And here it will show you all the editings that is done recently. So not only it will show you for the current date, but it will also show you all the versions that were edited on specific dates. So for example, instead of village, we change this to city, but let's say that we want to keep this version. So you click on restore this version and it will change altogether for you, even though it was edited on 30th January, which is almost a week past for this. Click on restore this version, click on restore, and we have this version restored. But this restored it as city. Let's say that we want to restore it as village. So this document was originally added on 29th of November, almost a year ago, but still you can click on restore this version and click on restore. And now you will notice that all of the documents is converted to village instead of city. And that's just a quick example. Let's say that you have many editings and you just want to switch to an original version which was added months ago. You can still restore it, and that's how you do it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.